So let us continue with our problems, converting the decimal expansion of recurring rational numbers, recurring non-terminating recurring rational numbers into its P by Q form. One we did, isn't it? 0.333. So write next question. Express 0.666 in P by Q form. Express 0.666 in P by Q form. Express 0.66 in the P by Q form. Children, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So express 0.6 in the P by Q form. So first we will write let x equal to 0.666. X equal to 0.666.
And 10 into x is equal to
10 into x. Because one digit is repeating, we will write 10x equal to what? 0.666 into 10. That is 10x equal to 6.666. 6.666. That is 10x equal to 6 plus 0.666. Same way, same pattern. So 10x equal to 6 plus x. So 10x minus x equal to 6. 9x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 9. That is 0.6 bar equal to 6 by 9, or we can write 2 by 3.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Equal to 2 by 3. 0.55 and 0.22 are homework. 0.55 and 0.22 are homework. Next one, express 1.2727 etc. 1.2727 etc. in the form P by Q. In the form P by
your
Q.
voice is breaking.
Because of network. All of you the same?
Ma'am, it is second question now.
Second, no. First
No,
one,
third
last
one.
period we did. Last period we did 0.333 and 0.666. Now 1.2727. Okay. Here
Okay,
two digits are repeating. Okay, so we will multiply by 100. So write that one sentence. When you are studying, it will be clear to you. So write since two digits are repeating. While doing problem, you no need to write this step. I'm writing this for your information while you are studying. Okay. Since two digits are repeating, multiply x by 100. Okay. So let us take x equal to 1.2727 etc. X equal to 1.2727 etc. Since two digits are repeating, we will multiply it by 100. 1.2727 into 100. So 100x, and it is equal to what? It is equal to equal to
1.27.
Ma'am,
1.27
Ma'am,
into 727
12.727.
into 100. So it will be
Okay, ma'am.
1. Uh,
2.
uh, uh, uh. 1.2727 into 100
Ma'am,
equal to
Ma'am, 127.27.
127.27.
127.2727 etc. 127.2727 etc. So this is equal to 127 plus 0. Plus 0.
1
No, not 1. No, 1 point. No. So we will write
1.272.
126. We will take 126. 126 plus, because 1 point here. So 126 plus 1.2727. Here plus this x must come. After writing a number, plus x must come there. So x is 1.2727. So what remaining? We need to write 126. Is this clear, this step? We need to
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, can you repeat it?
sure. See, 100x equal to 127.2727. This is okay. When we multiplying by 100 both sides. Is this clear, this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, usually what we will do the term before decimal. All of you see the previous question. There we
Ma'am.
wrote what? Wait, one second. Just see the previous 6.6666, etc. So we wrote what? 6 plus x, isn't it? No.
Yes.
Huh? So plus x must come here. X is what? X is our 1.2727. So what will come here before to get 127? 1.27 we wrote already, our x. So what will come here to get 127?
Ma'am, 26.
126. 126 plus 1.2727 is what? It is 127.2727. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or otherwise I'll repeat again. Sure. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 126 plus this is our x. Here 100x. Take x to this side. 100x minus x.
90.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, children. So our problem 127. 127 plus 0.2727 etc. So this is equal to not 27, 126. This is equal to 126 plus 0.2727 etc. So this is 126 plus x. 100x minus x equal to 126. 99x equal to 126. 126 divided by 99, that is 1.2727 etc. equal to 126 divided by 99. This you can simplify. Simplify it.
And 42 by
40 again, that 42 again you can simplify. 14 by 11 you will get. After simplification you will get 14 by 11. Nine. Children are entering. Okay, clear? Can I move to the next question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Next one,
ma'am.
same type, one more question. Express.
Can you show that?
This one you want to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete.
Ma'am, you say the number.
0.474747. 0.474747.
And
Ma'am.
347.
0.4747.
Ma'am, 126 plus 1.2727. No.
Sorry. Yes, correct. Sorry. 1.2727. Correct. That is X. Correct it, all of you. By mistake, I wrote 1.126 plus 1.2727. Next question is 0.4747, etc. Shasa, you wrote, is it over? Next one is 0.4747. X equal to 0.4747, etc. So we need to multiply by
100.
100.
so 100x equal to 47.4747, etc. 100x equal to 47 plus 0.4747, etc. Which is equal to 47 plus x. 47 plus x. 100x minus x.
46, right?
No, 0 point, no. Here 0 point. So 47 plus 0.47. 0.4747 will be 47.4.
Okay.
The other problem 1 point is there. That's why. So it is 47. So 99x equal to 47.
47 by 99.
47 by 99. 47 by 99. One more homework question, 0.45. Homework. 0.45 expressed in the form P by Q. 0.45. Okay. Next one. Next is an important question. Express 0.999 in the form P by Q. Express
Which is the homework question?
0.45 bar. 45 is repeating. 0.999 in the P by Q form. Express 0.999. Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Over.
Ma'am, it is the homework question.
0.45, this one, 0.45 bar. Shankari, what happened? Look so tired.
No, ma'am.
Feel sleepy?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then, okay. Over? Alia, is it over? Who asked to scroll up? Can I change,
Yes,
children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is 0.
Ma'am, Alia.
Alia. Okay, I understood your name, your voice. Okay. X equal to 0.999, etc. Next step is what? Next step is
Ma'am, into 10.
into 10.
10.
10x. 10x
10x.
equal to 9.99,
9,
etc. So this is equal to 9 plus
9
0
plus
0.999. This is equal to 9 plus x. Okay. So 10x minus
10x
x equal to 9.
minus
9x equal to 9. So x
9
equal
by
to
9.
9 by 9. And it is approximately equal to 9. So 99999 is going to reach where on the number line? 1
One.
0. This
One
is
and
1.
0 and
So
1.
9.999999, but it's not approaching. It's not become equal. It is approximation only. Yeah?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that first step 10x is equal to 9.99 or is it 0.9?
9.910. When we multiply 0.99, we multiply it by 10. What will happen? 9.999.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then that we are splitting into two terms, 9 plus 0.99. That is our x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 0.9999 is going to reach 1, approximately equal to 1. But actually it is not equal to 1. There is a slight difference between 1 and 0.999. But it is approaching. So our estimation is an approximation only. Okay. So 0.9999 is equal to 1. It is only an approximation. Okay. But they are different, no? 0.99999 is not equal to 1 actually. Okay. Both are different. But that 999 is actually reaching to 1. Okay. Going to coincide with 1. Okay. Okay. Bye all of you. Our time is up.